It is an absolutely beautiful foggy morning here on Braunig Lake. And if you've been here before, you know this is one of those spots you bring the family, you bring the crew, and cast your lines out and pop open a cold one. Just wait to hear that drag. We're going to be doing it a little bit differently today. Sal and I are going to be joining Pete on his pontoon boat, hoping to catch some big fish and get some amazing shots. Appreciate you joining us. Yeah, look that way, Sal. Cheers, one more time. That was way better. All right, it's 9:23, and we came back to the shore to regroup. Didn't have any luck first time. Got the cast net out and trying to get some bait. Damn it. Yeah. What a beautiful fish. Hell yeah. Well, unfortunately, it was worst case scenario. So we got the old skunk. I had a great time. We got some great clips, and I wasn't gonna make this into a video, but you know, I gotta show you the good and the bad. So they're not always gonna be big, giant 10-pound catfish. So glad we got out in the water at all. Appreciate you very much, Pete, Sal. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Hopefully with some big fish. There he goes.